Alright, let's go. There's a car coming in. The white BMW. Pretty sure it doesn't look that bad. I mean, it looks really good. I like that. I like that a lot. That's really cool. Alright, let's keep it going. I am using the kit lens of 28-70 on the Sony a7ii. So let's see what we can get. What shots we can get today. I'm literally very, very happy with the shot of the car. By the way, this is unusual here. People don't really see people taking pictures of like their cars and people walking around with cameras, especially a GoPro on their chest. So this is unusual. So I'm pretty sure I'll have people staring at me. Let me see if I can get like a nice bokeh from this here. I think that looks good. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. At least I hope. Like this street here, I really like how it goes into there. Like, I don't know, there's something about this that I quite like. I'm really enjoying using this camera there. I hope this jacket is not too noisy as well, because it can get very noisy. Maybe if I move my arms. Anyway, who switches off their camera after taking a photo? Like, I usually switch my camera off and then turn it on when I see something on the shoot. Who does that there? Is there anyone that does something like that? Let me know, because I do it all the time. Oh, here's the BMW again. Get that there. Same BMW that drove past me earlier on. So this street is quite boring because it doesn't have a line that separates the lanes. This is like one lane street. So the other one, which I was just walking on now, has a line in the middle, which I can use as a composition. There's that leading line that leads your eye to me when I take that picture. So maybe later on when I walk back, I might take the picture that I was thinking of earlier, picture of myself. I might try it just so I can show the difference between the picture taken without this line and the other picture that will have a line on it. There'll be a huge difference. First POV this year. This is actually my first POV ever, and I quite like it so far, but it's a bit weird. It's weird enough with the camera in your hand because people look at you and wonder, oh, you're taking pictures of. But then having a GoPro on your chest and it's very clear that you're recording, it makes it even weirder. Everyone's like, look at that weird there. Like, I like this long tree, like this taller tree here. It's gonna expose for the sky. Then I'll try to bring up the blacks. Let's keep it moving. See, I'm turning off my camera. This is what I always do. Take a picture, turn off the camera. This is a street here that I might try to take the picture of myself out. I can set the tripod here, then I'll try on the other side again, just to show the difference between the one with the line and the one without a line, and how much of a difference it makes. I think it's important to try as much of photography as you possibly can, so you can find what you're good at and find what you like. Then from then on, you can just focus on what you like. I'm not a fan of narrowing down what you can do to just wedding photography. or just product photography. I'm a fan of knowing as much as you can, trying out as much as you can. We have kind of a dirty water here. It's very dirty. You can't even see a thing here. This is not gonna work. Oh my god, the water is like super thick. I don't think we might get anything interesting, but just for the sake of trying out reflection. Go get these pictures. This angle looks weird. This angle looks really weird. Oh, this shirt here. Okay, perfectly exposed. Let me get closer. Maybe get down to the ground. I might get something interesting. So then you have to take a couple of pictures before you get the one that you like. Okay, let's keep it moving. Okay, we're back to the spot. I think I'll set up the tripod. Let me see if I'll set it up here. Alright, I'm happy with those. Let's go to the next one. Taking photos by yourself is a very difficult thing because you can't tell where your focus is, and you have to make a lot of changes to compensate for that, to make sure that you might be in focus. Then you keep going back and forth, trying to see if you got the shot or not. Keep trying, keep trying, keep trying. In the end it works out, but it takes a lot of work. Okay, we're closing into the last photo of the day. It's right around the corner here. Alright guys, we're done taking video today and taking photos for the day. I need to get home and edit this video. Thank you once again. We'll see you on the next video. Peace, yeah.